Well, there's the starter in an 05 Reg Ford C-Max. That's the wiring that has to be put on there, taken off. There's one bolt going through here that's connecting to this wiring harness. Earlier, I thought this was in the wrong place, but you don't want this one on until you've got this connected over here. You need this wire loose. This wire needs to be moving around so you can get this cable onto the starter motor. And if you look where the ratchet is, here's the ratchet, and that gets the top one up there. That makes it a lot easier for the top one, and then you can use the ratchet again on this one here. The ratchet fits in there nicely, so the top, those two are pretty easy, relatively speaking. Now, what might happen is, I might be doing here is, I don't have enough play in that hole. It seems to be going in, but if the other screws are too tight, it might be off a little bit. You might have to loosen the starter. No, it's going in, but you might have to loosen one of the other bolts up. Normally, I don't snug them all down until everyone's in. They're all three in, then I'll make it snite. It's a new word tonight. We'll make it nice and snite. So, this is a wobbly ratchet at the moment. It still appears to, I can't do it anymore with one hand. So now that's about it. I got everything tightened up. All the wire clamps are back in place.